The agency tasked with protecting our children is fresh off an audit from the federal government, and what they found is far from perfect. Tonight, live reporter Sarah Davis joins us in the studio to break down some of the findings. Sarah, what did you discover?
Amanda, the federal government performed an audit on West Virginia's child welfare system. The reason, they say, quote, the high-profile death related to child neglect of a teenager led them to take a closer look into the Mountain State. An audit from last year on West Virginia's Bureau of Social Services found a significant amount of non-compliance. Using a sample of 100 cases filed from a previous year, they found that 91% of those were not in compliance with codes and standards. 3 assessments following a CPS referral were more than 400 days late. They were supposed to be completed within 30 days. And 4 cases had no documentation of any child or guardian interviews being conducted. And child welfare workers in West Virginia must also adhere to 11 safety guidelines when assessing a case. If any of these 11 are found to exist, the worker is required to deem the child unsafe. In 8 of the samples, this practice was not upheld. In 6 of these, risks were present, but the child was marked safe. And in 2, the guidelines were not utilized at all when determining the safety of the child. Now, the Bureau of Social Services say staffing shortages and higher caseloads have impacted their work, and in response to the audit's findings, they have created a new task force to help address the backlog of cases, as well as a new training for employees involved in the cases. Reporting in the studio, Sarah Davis, Tonight Live.
All right, Sarah, thank you.